guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching me. I'm going to be showing you guys this pretty look that I did today, and I did this in 15 to 20 minutes. So I wanted to do like a quick, easy, but pretty look for you guys. Something that's simple, but not too simple, that you can still wear out to a party or to, you know, a barbecue or your friend's house. But yeah, I'm going out to just take pictures with my sister, so I was like, why not do a quick makeup look for you guys and show you how I do makeup in a jiffy and still look cute for Instagram. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Make sure you guys hit subscribe and turn on your notifications so that when I post a video, you guys know it's up and you guys can watch it. Okay guys, so I am starting off with the Makeup Forever foundation that I just showed you guys, and I'm going to put this all over my face. And I like how this foundation is super light and fast to put on, and it just makes my skin glowy and covers everything. I do have a couple of breakouts recently because I kind of stopped doing my Obagi skincare that I usually do, so I'm back on it now again. Alright, so once I have my foundation, next is concealer, and I'm going to be using the Stay Naked concealer from Urban Decay in the shade 50 NP. And this is one of my favorite quick go-to concealers. I use this almost every day when I don't want to do like super heavy foundation or look. And I'm just going to create a quick V. Same thing on the other side. Highlight my nose, the top of my forehead, top of my lips. And you can get any other spots that you have. I have a little bit of breakouts here, so I'm just going to cover those as well. And I'm going to get right underneath my brow bone and kind of clean up my eyebrows with the concealer. I do this when I'm like doing foundation that's like really fast and quick. I look like a freak, but trust me, it's gonna look bomb after we're done. Okay, so now I'm just taking that same brush that I was using before, and I'm just gonna pat it down very lightly. And you can take some of this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, and I'm just gonna spray a little over my face, and that's just gonna help blend it out perfectly. And I don't want to blend this out completely. I'm gonna try to keep the pigment as it is, like as heavy as it is. So just very little dabs. And for here, I'm just gonna use my fingers and kind of blend that out. You see how just my eyebrows already look clean. I haven't gone all the way up with my concealer. This is kind of like a trick that I do. I like having a little bit of shadow and kind of creating like an eyeshadow look with no eyeshadow. Okay, so I wanted a little bit more lighter and brighter underneath my eyes, but I'm going to do that after I'm going to go ahead and put some eyeshadow onto my eyes. So I'm going to be using the ColourPop Good as Gold eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to probably use these two colors. I'm going to take a very fluffy brush and dip it in this really light shade first and put that all over my eyes. Then I'm going to go in with this darker brown and hold your brush at the very end so you don't put on a lot. I'm just tapping where I want most of the pigment to go. And that's good enough. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye exactly the same. Okay, so that is good enough. And now I'm going to take that same lighter shade that we had before and put it right on the inner part of my eye. And I'm just tapping it in. Like that. And let's go in with an eyeliner. And this is my fastest way of doing an eyeliner. And I'm going to be using the Kajal from Vasanthi Cosmetics. And I'm going to be first lining my upper lid and just bringing it in that inner part of your eye, not all the way in. The same thing on the other eye. Okay, and then I'm just going to be kind of in a messy way putting on the eyeliner on the top. And it doesn't have to be clean because we're going to be blending all of that in. And I'm going to be taking a very tiny pencil brush, and it's like this. I'm going to be dipping it in this black shade from ColourPop, and I'm just going to be smoking out wherever we put that black. And that is good enough. Same thing on the other side. I'm just going to take whatever black is left on that same pencil and put it right underneath and connect those two lines right here. So that is good enough, and then I am going to lighten up my under eye. So I'm going to use the Too Faced Almond Born This Way concealer, and I'm just going to use this to lighten up my under eye where I want it to be a little lighter. Right there. That's where I want it to be, like, boom. Okay, so that is a lot brighter, and let's do eyebrows now. And I'm just going to be using the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder, and this is what I use when I'm in a hurry to do my eyebrows. Super quick, super fast, super easy, and I'm just using the Benefit brush as well. I'm going to comb out my eyebrows first and create that bottom line first, and then create a top line. And then just color it in. Fastest way to do brows. Okay, once that is done, then we're gonna go in and bake. And I'm using the Huda Beauty baking powder, and I'm just going to take the Huda Bake and Blend brush and just tap it in there and tap it exactly where we put that concealer. And I'm gonna go ahead and put on lip liner. So for lip liner, I'm gonna use this Kylie lip liner called Kylie. And then I'm going to go in with this Kylie Balmain lipstick, and it is matte. I'm going to put gloss on top of it. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and put some gloss on this, and for gloss, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Gloss in Fussy. It's a really pretty pink gloss. This is just gonna bring life to my lips. There we go. Nice and pink. And I need to put on eyelashes. I'll be right back. So eyelashes are on and they just complete the look. I'm wearing Sanza Beauty My Lashes and this is style 905. They're the most natural lashes that I have, but to make them look like a little bit bigger, what I do is like overload them with a lot of mascara, and that's why they look like juicy and voluminous right now. But if you wanted a more natural look, you could just avoid the mascara. But I like the mascara, the lashes like looking really boom. So my face is still looking pale because I haven't put bronzer and blush yet, so let's do that and then we're done. So I'm going to go ahead and use this foundation palette and I'm going to use the darker colors in it for a bronzer, for a very natural bronzy look. And I'm just going to be using the same brush, the foundation brush that I was using. I'm going to go into this color right here and just go to the hollows of my cheekbones and just dab. It's a very pretty, natural, and I love this technique when I'm in a hurry and I don't want my makeup looking overdone. And then we're gonna go in with a little bit of a powder bronzer, and I'm gonna be using the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer, and I'm gonna be just using a very fluffy brush for this because I just want a very little bit. For blush, I'm going to use this blush palette from Makeup Forever, and it is Cream Again. And I'm going to be using like a nice pink, so maybe these colors right here. And I'm going to smile and get the apple of my cheeks. Same thing on the other side. A little bit blush on my nose and on my chin. Okay, and I'm going to put on a little bit of highlight and we're pretty much done. Before I do highlight, I'm just gonna go in and with a little bit of powder, and this is the MAC Studio Fix powder in NC30, and I'm just going to take the same Huda Beauty brush that I used before, the Bacon Blend brush, and just tap that and just put it a little bit right underneath my eyes. And that just completes the under eye. It makes everything blend in together. And for highlights, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Emerald highlights. I like to make my face like really wet with the spray, and then I also spray my brush, and I'm going to just cover this brush in the highlights and smile and get that right there. I got a pimple right over there, so I'm not going to try to highlight that. I'm going to do it right above it. And same thing on the other side. A little bit on my nose. And just take a little tiny brush and I'm going to just put a little highlight right on the inner corner of my eyes. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy fun look. Tell me what you think in the comments below, and tell me what kind of makeup looks you guys want to see from me next. I just wanted to do kind of like a quick makeup routine for you guys, something easy, something fast, but something that still looks pretty. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing and supporting me. Bye!
Why is it so hard?